Hello everyone, welcome to NoteVed Academy. This is a quick tutorial to help you connect with us. The first thing you need to do is type in your mobile number. So enter your mobile number on the given box and click on the button below to get your OTP. Now you will receive a OTP on your entered mobile number. Check your messages for the OTP and enter it in the space provided. Then click on the sign in button to get to the next page. Now we have reached to the details page. In this page you have to fill your details for the given fields like your name, the standard you are studying in, the type of board, your parents' name, email ID, etc. And you also have to create a secure password. After filling up all the details, click on the button below. Congratulations! Now you have joined with us. Welcome to NoteVed Academy. We'll give you a quality preparation for your entrance exam. Whenever you are done using the app, don't forget to log out for added security. You can find the log out option in the profile page. And voila, there you have it. Next time you want to log in, you can also use a password instead of OTP just by selecting sign in with password option and entering the password you created in your details page. To make your login process seamless, we offer the option to sign in with a Google account. Just click on sign in with Google button and you can use your Google account to connect to our application. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Happy learning!